can I? Is it true that you did this thing? I'm sure you've been asked this 1,000 times.
Yeah.
Like in Rocky, they did this in Rocky as well, where they had to. You would make the sound effects yourselves, so they had to go back and like sound was a nightmare because it was a bunch of people going. Vroom.
No, it wasn't. To begin with, it was quite difficult not to make the sound.
Yeah.
And also when it goes away, because it makes that nice noise when it goes down.
Oh, yes.
How do you switch
Have you
it
heard
off?
that in Rocky? That apparently, like in the first film particularly, it's just loads of sound effects of Sylvester Stallone going.
Okay, let's have the light sound. Let's have light sound.
Okay, so
light
you have
sound.
to